Hello everyone, I'm bringing you a fascinating update from the power corridors of Zimbabwe. Today, we're diving into the urgent return of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga from China, where he was receiving medical treatment. But why the sudden rush back home? Let's explore what's unfolding in Zimbabwe's political landscape. Vice President Chiwenga, aged 63, had been in China for 4 months, undergoing medical tests for an unspecified illness. Sources at Munhumutapa told Zimbabwe that Chiwenga rushed back from China early this week after learning about the Politburo reshuffle, which was carried out without his knowledge. You see, Zimbabwe is currently experiencing a tense atmosphere as power struggles within the ruling party seem to be intensifying. Upon his arrival at Robert Mugabe International Airport, Chiwenga was not just greeted by the usual government officials, but also, notably, by the Chinese deputy ambassador. This highlights the significance of his treatment abroad and the international eyes closely watching Zimbabwe's political scene. He assured journalists he was very fit to rejoin government efforts, but the timing of his return suggests there might be more at play. The backdrop to this drama is a nation grappling with a healthcare crisis. Soon after his return, Chiwenga did not rest and rushed to his office for a closed-door meeting with SADC Executive Secretary Mr. Elias Magosi. This disparity in healthcare access only adds to the tensions within the country. So, why rush back? Mr. Magosi is in the country to check on Zimbabwe's preparedness to host the SADC Heads of State and Government Summit in Harare in August, where President Mnangagwa will assume the chairmanship of the regional bloc. The political arena in Zimbabwe is notoriously volatile, with allegiances shifting and power balances constantly in flux. Moreover, Chiwenga's recent activities also include leading Zimbabwe's delegation at an economic conference in Iran, signalling his ongoing influence in international and economic affairs. This is a clear message to both his allies and adversaries. Chiwenga remains a central figure in Zimbabwe's future. This incident is a stark reminder of the intricate dance of power, health and diplomacy in Zimbabwean politics. As we watch how this situation unfolds, it's crucial to understand the broader implications for Zimbabwe's stability and its path towards economic recovery and growth. Thank you for tuning in. This is a story we'll continue to watch closely, as the actions of Zimbabwe's leaders today will shape the nation's tomorrow. Stay informed and engaged as history unfolds before our very eyes.